Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we'll show you a decoration trick for your charging cable. So I have my charging cable from my power bank. We're going to be decorating it. So I took two thin wools in different color. So stay tuned if you want to see how you can make this yourself. I promise it's really easy and it's also pretty fun to do. So you're not going to need a phone and your power bank. We just need our cable and some wool, as I mentioned. You can do two different colors like me or plain in one. And I have here baby pink and baby blue. So you're going to need scissors as well. I will also be using a tiny bit of tape to tape my cable to the table. It just makes things easier. So we can start. We need these long threads aligned. That depends on the length of your cable though, so take care of that. It's better if it's a bit longer than shorter, and we'll make the one end into a knot around the cable. The leftover piece we'll just knit in there, no worries. So let's divide the threads now. Here we are, so we can tape our cable. And I'll do the same with our leftover piece of thread, so we'll deal with it later. So we can start, and I'll start with pink. Go under the cable, then our mint color, so we need to go under the pink. And through the hole here. Pull up and you can see the first loop we have. Now same from the other side. Blue under and through. Once again. I'll make it a bit looser so that we can see the black cable through. So we just need to finish to the other end of the cable, and here you can see how I'm hiding the leftover piece, and we'll just take this tape off as soon as we get there. So after a while I finished one end to another. One side is pink and the other side is blue in the middle. So now what we need to do is cut the ends off. So let's just tie a knot over here too. And cut them off. And we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you find it good. I think it's also good as a protection for your cable so that it doesn't go damaged. So yeah, feel free to shoot us a thumbs up if you enjoyed. You can check out other videos we have. And you can subscribe to our channel. That way you'll never miss anything new we post. So yeah, thanks for watching DIY ideas. Hope to see you again and I wish you a great day. Bye!